Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Chroma key in Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the home section, brand kit, templates, and right here, you're going to find all of your folders. Right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new video. And here you're going to find create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video. Once you click on it, create a new video, right here you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So first of all, we're gonna add our video by clicking on import media. Then you can choose the video you want to add from your computer. So I'm gonna add these two videos. Click on open, and as you can see, guys, now they're added. In order to add these videos to your timeline, all you need to do, guys, is either click on the plus icon right here, or you can just drag the videos like this. So I'm going to drag this video too. And then in order to use chroma key on this video, for example, make sure it's selected. And then just go here to the right side of your screen. Then go ahead and search for effects. Once you click on effect, you're going to find a lot of effects. And here you're going to find the green screen. Go ahead and click on it. And then as you can see, guys, now it's applied. And the green screen is removed. So basically, guys, once you finish customizing your video, you can just go to export, click on it, and then choose the quality that you want. For example, I'm going to export it in this quality, then just wait for it to load, and then your video will be saved. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.